Alright guys, so I'll show you how I do my eggs. And I'm gonna have this for dinner. I love fried eggs. I'm gonna add some pepper flakes in here. Some black pepper. Some salt. And some green onion. And pepper. I chopped up the pepper. And half of an onion. You can also saute all these ingredients and then throw your egg inside and fry it up. And this is one way I do it. And some tomatoes. I think this should be good enough here. And I'll show you guys how I'm frying it up. Alright folks, I think the oil is hot there, so I'll put the eggs in there. Lots of good stuff in here. Looks really good. Smells really good too. You can flip it over if you want. So I did it in quarters. Now I flip it over. It's easier to flip this way. And there you go, you got fried eggs. And let's see the other side how it looks. That's how it looks there. It cooks really good. I'll turn the stove off. Egg is on there. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.